Cellular respiration is breakdown of glucose to create usable ATP. From food we get energy. Glucose is fuel and from burning that fuel we get ATP. So C6H12O6 in presence of oxygen it's converted into carbon dioxide, water and ATP. Cellular respiration occurs in three stages. First, glycolysis, second, Krebs cycle, and electron transport chain. In this diagram, you can see that glucose is converted into pyruvate, which is known as glycolysis. It is a 10-step process, and in this process, some of the ATPs are released, and then pyruvate is converted into acetyl CoA, and then further process takes place in mitochondria. That acetyl CoA enters Krebs cycle, and in Krebs cycle, carbon dioxide, some of the ATPs, and NADH2 and FADH2 are released. Then NADH2 and FADH2 further enters electron transport chain, and in that electron transport chain they are converted into ATP. ATP is known as energy currency of cell. Whenever any compounds break down or any compound form, energy is always utilized in the form of ATP. So whenever ATP is converted into ADP, huge amount of energy is released, and whenever ADP is converted into ATP, energy is stored in cell. Structure of ATP: it contains nitrogenous base, ribose sugar, and three phosphate groups. Here, nitrogenous base is adenine. It is known as adenosine triphosphate. And FAD plus are coenzymes, like they are like rechargeable batteries which are ultimately converted into ATP in electron transport chain. This is structure of NAD plus and NADH. NAD plus is converted into NADH2 as it accepts one hydrogen from substrate and get converted into NADH. As NAD plus, FAD plus also gets converted into FADH. In the process of oxidation, FAD plus is reduced to FAD. Cellular respirations are of two types, aerobic and anaerobic. Without oxygen, fermentation takes place, and in presence of oxygen, pyruvate is converted into acetyl CoA and it enters Krebs cycle. Thank you.